Thank you. Hi, I'm Kent and welcome to Turn a Wood Bowl. Today, I want to thank you. Yes, I want to thank you for being a part of this whole experience, for being a part of my community over on my website and here on this YouTube channel. Thank you. This is Thanksgiving weekend in America. Now, I realize this isn't shared all over the world, and I have lots of viewers all around the world. There are viewers in Russia, in Australia, Ireland, Denmark, everywhere, Canada. As a matter of fact, a few years back, I was in Canada for Thanksgiving weekend in the United States, which is our Thanksgiving weekend, and I kind of thought that they would do something in Canada to recognize the American Thanksgiving, but guess what? They don't do anything. It's just another day of the week. So I was kind of surprised, but then I realized, well, Thanksgiving is a very unique American holiday. It's where we stop and we give thanks and we're grateful for all of the things that are positive and everything in life. And one of the things that's really, really wonderful and part of my life is you, and I want to thank you. Now, I've got several things to share with you here, so stay tuned. You're going to like this. I get comments and I get emails on a regular basis, and I always chuckle when people say things like, well, I know that Kent isn't going to be reading this because he's too busy, but guess what? Yeah, it's little old me that reads pretty much every comment in every email and responds to every single one of them myself. And I appreciate all of the questions and everything that you guys send me. Now, I can't get to all of them all the time, but I try my darndest. And I love interacting with you guys because I know that I'm helping you, and it's energizing for me to understand that you are able to turn the wood bowls that you desire. And that is super, super satisfying. Now, I happen to dig into some of the numbers on YouTube just for the heck of it. I don't do this on a regular basis, but I happen to dig into this one particular number that kind of blew my mind. Since I started making these videos, there have been over 2.6 million hours of viewing time of these videos. Yeah, that's what I thought too. That translates into, you ready for this? That translates into almost 300 years of non-stop viewing of these videos. That's crazy. And that's how much you guys are interacting with these videos. And I know it's helping you guys, and I'm super satisfied to be able to help you. And I'm really honored to be part of your wood bowl turning journey. Now, if you enjoy the videos that you're seeing here on YouTube, you're really, really gonna like my online courses. And this weekend, I have all of my courses on sale. This is the biggest sale of the year. You're not gonna wanna miss this. I kind of hate saying this because I feel like an infomercial right now, but it is really valuable. Now, if you think about how you can learn how to turn. A lot of the other ways you can learn is if you have a mentor that you can spend time with locally, that's great, and you'll probably learn a lot that way. But a lot of us learn by experiences that are brief. We might go to a weekend workshop, or we might go to a symposium, and those things are really expensive. They can cost hundreds or thousands of dollars because of travel and all of that. And what happens? You make some notes, or maybe you make a couple videos with your phone, you get home, you get on your lathe, and you're like, wait, what am I supposed to do right now? Well, guess what? My online courses are with you all the time. Once you purchase these courses, even at these discounted sale prices that you'll see this weekend, you have access to them for the rest of your life. Yeah, you have lifetime access. There's no renewal fee, there's no annual fee. It's a one-time cost. So what happens is you get to the lathe and you say, wait, I forgot what I'm supposed to do here. Well, you just jump back online. You could do it with your phone, you could do it with a computer. You jump back online, you go right to that lesson, and you can see it. Each of the lessons are short, brief, and to the point. They're well labeled so you can easily get back to them when you need, and they're always there for you. So as you'll see by all of the comments and the positive feedback that I have on my website, this is the way to learn how to properly turn a wood bowl. You might be thinking, which course should I start with? Well, I gotta tell you, it's a little secret. Start with the tool sharpening course. If you get no other courses, just get the tool sharpening course, because I'm gonna teach you how to sharpen your bowl gouges, sharpen all of your tools for turning wood bowls, And I'm going to show you how to shape those tools. So if you would like, you can purchase a regular bowl gouge that has whatever profile on the end of it, and then you can come over to the tool sharpening course and I will teach you how to shape it in a variety of different profiles, including the 55-degree bevel swept back bowl gouge profile, which you see me use on a regular basis. So you can easily do that. So if you get nothing else, get the tool sharpening course, especially at this discounted price. Okay, enough of the infomercial. The sale ends Monday, so you want to make sure that you don't miss it. I am so grateful for you, and I wanted to take a moment and say thank you. I am truly honored to be part of your wood bowl turning journey, and I'm thrilled every time I get a chance to help you get over those different roadblocks. As you know, if you've been turning for any length of time, wood turning is so different than all other woodworking because we have to develop so many skills and techniques that involve our body and the way that we interact with the turning on the lathe. It's not as simple as most woodworking tools are. There's a lot of skills that need to be built and combined, and that's where these courses really come in. So I hope you guys take advantage of that. And again, I'm very grateful for you. Thank you so much. And on this Thanksgiving weekend, I am very thankful for you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy turning.